Welcome to Agri Market Insight and Access. This is a walk around video of the GL&D Fusion Woodchipper. The machine is fitted with a 38 horsepower, 3-cylinder diesel Yanmar engine. This model has a turntable fitted which allows 180 degree travel left and right. You also have adjustable chute which is 360 degrees of travel. Around the back of the machine, you have all the controls conveniently located at the rear with the throttle, safety bar system all enclosed. The machine is 6.5 inch capacity, the 240 by 185 feed-in system, which is a mixture of a chain floor and adjustable roller. The machine weighs 950 kilos. For more information, please contact agrimarketia.com. Our telephone number is 01363 829 28.